Hello everyone. Today the experiment to find out the refractive index of a prism. So how to find out the refractive index? As you know, by using the Snell's law, sin I by sin R is equal to constant. This one the formula to find out the refractive index. Okay. Then how it will be in prism? Look, this is a prism. Okay. By using this method, we can find out first how we derive the formula of refractive index of a prism will be mu 2 1 मतलब mu is the refractive index symbol. 2 1 means from second medium to first medium. Okay, so what will be the formula of the prism? Sin a plus d by 2 divided by sin a by 2. What is a? A is the angle of prism. What is d? D is the angle of deviation. What is a? A also angle of prism. So we have to find out the value of a and value of d. So first, before the experiment, we should know that how the formula derived from this one to this one. Okay, so look, look at this prism. Okay, so if you want to derive, so first to find out the I and R value, then we can find out the refractive index formula, okay, of a prism. So we have to find out the I and R value. So look at this picture and look, this is a triangle. Okay, EQR. Okay, this is a triangle. In this triangle, what will be the angle of deviation? Okay, this is the outer side. Okay, the angle of deviation will be to inner side, the sum of two inner side. So it will be D is equal to EQR plus ERQ. D is equal to EQR plus ERQ in this EQR triangle. Okay, what is the EQR? Look, EQR will be this one. Okay, if this one is I1, this one also will be I1. So this total will be I1. So this angle will be total I1 minus this one, I1 minus R1. You can write here I1 minus R1. Okay, ERQ, this side, this angle and this angle will be equal. Okay, so how it will be calculated? I2 minus R2, this angle will be I2 minus R2, ERQ will be I2 minus R2, I2 minus R2. You can write as I1 plus I2 minus R1 plus R2. Okay, then look at this triangle AQR. Okay, in this triangle, this one and this one and this angle, this angle, three angle will be 180. Okay, so you can write here angle A plus AQR plus ARQ will be 180. So what will be the AQR and ARQ? Let's find out. AQR and ARQ. AQR will be, look, this is a normal. Okay, if this is a normal, so normal to the surface, so it will be 90 degree. You know that normal is perpendicular to the surface, so total will be 90 degree. अगर ये 90 डिग्री हुआ तो ये एंगल कितना हुआ? 90 माइनस R1, ये टोटल 90 डिग्री, ये हो जाएगा 90 माइनस R1. इट विल बी, यू कैन राइट हियर 90 degree minus R1 plus ARQ. You can put this value ARQ as this way, 90 minus R2. Okay, this one 90 minus R2 is equal to 180. Okay, then A is equal to A plus 180 minus R1 plus R2 is equal to 180. So it will be 180 180 cancel, then A can be R1 plus R2. Okay, this will be equation number 2, this will be equation number 1. Okay, then put this value equation number 2 into 1. So what will be this? D is equal to I1 plus I2. Here R1 plus R2, in that place we can write A. Okay, so what will be the IA? So you can write minus A. So what will be A plus D is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, this written as equation number 3. Okay, then look, when we do the experiment, this I1 is equal to I2. Okay, so we can write here I1 is equal to I2. So you can write either 2I1 you can write here. Okay, because these two are equal. Okay, so what will be the I will be angle of incidence will be A plus D by 2. Okay, this will be written as equation number 4, and put that I value into sin I. Okay, then we have to find out the R value. What will the R? If I1, if in this figure I1 is equal to R1, then this is 90 degree, this also 90 degree, so R1 will be R2. Okay, so in that formula, in this equation, you can write A is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, so you can write 2R1. So R1 will be A by 2. Okay, A by 2. Put that value into R value. So what will be the formula? Sin A plus D by 2 by, if R value, what is the R value? A by 2. Okay, the formula was derived from this to this. Okay, let's do the experiment to find out. You know that the angle of prism. Okay, as this is a equilateral triangle, the angle of prism A will be 60 degree. Then what to do? Find out? To find out the angle of deviation, the value of D. Then do the experiment and find the value of D. Okay, and put this prism in that direction. Then this is the glass medium, prism medium, this is the air medium. So you have to find out the refractive index. So first, in that angle of incidence ray, you have to put two pins, then look in that direction. Look, these two pins shows in that direction. So in that direction, these two pins shows in that direction. So you have to put these two pins in this direction. So what will be this one and this one. Okay, then what to do? Point out this points, then join this line. Okay, and draw a normal here also. This is normal. This is the angle of, this is the incidence ray, this is the angle of incidence, this is the emergent ray. Okay, this is the angle of emergent. This should be equal. Okay, then what will be the refractor ray? If you will join this, in which direction it will comes? It will comes in this direction. Okay, this will be your refractor ray. Okay, if this is the refractor ray, this will be the angle of refraction. okay, but the angle, the ray of light should go in that direction, okay, but it comes in which direction? This direction. If you extend this line, it will meet these two lines in that place. अगर दो लाइन को हम एक्सटेंड करेंगे, ये लाइन इधर जाना चाहिए था, गया कहाँ? इधर गया, तो कितना डेविएट किया? इतना डेविएट किया। ये हो गया तुम्हारा एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन, डी का वैल्यू। ओके, समझ में आया? ये जो लाइन इधर जाना चाहिए था, अब देखो प्रिज्म में रिफ्रैक्ट होके किधर गया? इधर गया। ओके, देखो ये जो वैल्यू आया, ये आया तुम्हारा डेविएट, कितना डेविएट किया? वो हो गया एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन। उसको मेजर करो, डी का वैल्यू पुट करो। सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? साइन ए प्लस डी बाई 2 बाई साइन ए बाई 2। You know the value of A because this is a equilateral triangle prism, so it will be 60 degree, it will be 60 degree. So what is the value of D? D you have to measure. Which value it comes? It comes almost 30 degree. So you can write 30 sin 60 plus 30 by 2, it will be 45. Okay, by sin 60 by 2 30, it will almost 1.45. okay, this is the refractive index of a glass prism. It almost equal to 1.5. okay, so you can write this value. Look at the table, angle of prism 60, इंसिडेंस रे यू कैन टेक इट, मैं 45 लिया था, तुम 30 ले सकते हो, 60 ले सकते हो, any angle. Then refractive angle, what will it comes? You can write here. Then divergent ray, जो कि एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन, हमें वही चाहिए, रिफ्रैक्टिव एंगल भी नहीं चाहिए। ओके, तो वी रिक्वायर डाइवर्जेंट रे। ओके, तो डाइवर्जेंट एंगल कितना आया? मेरा आया 30. ओके, सो पुट दिस वैल्यू and find out the refractive index of a glass prism. Do it 5 observation and then find out the mean of the refractive index. पाँच रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऐसे निकालना है, उसके बाद उसका मीन निकाल सकते हो। मीन कैसे निकालना है पता है सबको? 500 को ऐड करके डिवाइडेड बाई 5 कर देना है। ओके, ओके देन थैंक यू।